Happy Monday, y'all. It's Monday. So today we're going to be doing another recap over a box that I opened on this channel. Now, note, I didn't say rescue box. This is actually going to be a recap over the Goodwill Bluebox, the jewelry repurpose box that's about 5 pounds that I opened on this channel a few months ago. I'm going to be opening another one of those boxes tomorrow, so I thought it was the perfect time to go back and look at the last box I did. I'm not going to go over every item that was in the box, but I am going to go over the items that I decided to list, and I will let you know which items ended up selling, how much they sold for, and what kind of profit or loss I currently have on this box. Now, the pieces that are currently listed that have not sold, I will give a price on the screen, or I'll tell you the price. And if you're interested in purchasing those items, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com and I can invoice you through PayPal if you're interested in those pieces. I'm doing about a 50 to 60% discount off of what I have them listed for in my closet, just a special price for subscribers. So let's get started. This box was one that came to us from the Lake Worth, Florida location, I believe, the Florida location. And I believe that these cost about $50 plus tax and shipping. So I have a good chunk of change into it. All right, so the first item from this box was a jewelry set, so matching necklace and earrings. Not new with tags, but they were paired together in a little like organza type bag from 1928. And I will say, not that 1928 resells for that much, but I have sold every piece of 1928 that I have. So people do go and look for it and love that brand. That set sold on eBay for $10. Also, if you'd like to go back and watch that unboxing, I will link the video up above. You can go back and watch that. The other 1928 set that I got in this box was a little bit different, but it was another like excellent condition necklace and earring set. That set sold on eBay for $11. So a win-win on those. Both of those sold, which is great. The next item that I decided to list from this box was a bronze or copper, because I'm not sure if it's actually copper, Alex and Ani charm bracelet. And it has these little crystals around the edge. It was in good condition. Went ahead and listed that. That still has not sold. If any subscribers are interested in that, I will do $6 for that. The next item that was in the box that I decided to list was by Juicy Couture, and this is a little pave heart charm. Very tiny, it's in good condition, and I've actually gotten a ton of attention with this charm, but no one's purchased it yet, so I don't know what's going on. So anyways, that one I have listed still currently, so it hasn't sold. If any subscribers are interested in that one, I will do that for $8. The next item that was in this box, I actually almost kept for myself, and maybe I still will because it hasn't sold yet either. And that is this graduated beaded necklace from Monet. It's in like a brushed gold color, excellent condition. I love this one. I think it's so pretty. It hasn't sold. It's still listed. And so if any subscribers are interested in that one, I will do that for $10. The next item that was in the box that I was going to list, but still have not listed, is this bracelet. I'm going to show it to you guys. It is a cuff bracelet, and it has this chain attached to the end. There's no branding on it, but I just love this so much. And so I was like, I'm going to list this. But I didn't, mainly because of the condition. You can kind of see the scratching on it. So it's not in great shape. It really needs to probably go to craft. But I just love it because it says, "Second star to the right and straight on till morning," which is a little quote from Peter Pan. And I love Disney. And so I just thought this was the sweetest cuff. If nobody ends up purchasing this, which from this video, which I'm going to say $2 for this, then I will probably just hold it until next time I go to Disney World and then wear it then and then donate it. I just think it's so sweet. Look at that pretty little cuff. It's just not in the best condition. So, okay. So that's a 0 for the purpose of the video. The next item that I decided to list was actually the first item that sold from this box. And this was by the brand Natasha. It was a orange enamel daisy statement necklace. Really sweet, super cute. And this sold on eBay for $10. The next item that was in the box was one of 2 pieces of sterling silver. I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm also going to be putting the picture on the screen because I do have it listed, but I wanted to talk about this a little bit. This is a little charm bracelet. It's the little cuff bracelet, and the little ball screws off on the end so you can add the charms. It's got 3 little spacers in between, and then it's got a Bible, and then it's got a little cross that has a like a little rhinestone in the center, if you can see that. On the back of the Bible, it is marked 925. And so you can kind of see the tarnish or the patina on this piece. So it would need to be polished if you want it shiny. I went ahead and listed this with both of the charms, which maybe I should take the charms off and list them separately. Both charms are marked 925. However, the cross, when I do a scratch test, is not coming back as 925. I tested the ball and the band, and then the beads and the Bible, and they are all coming back as sterling silver. Now, when I did the rub test on this, on the scratch test, it came back with flecks. So I think there's some sort of coating over this, but when you take off the ball and you do the scratch test on this part that doesn't have this smooth coating, it does come back blue for sterling silver. So all of this is sterling with the little charms on it, except the cross, even though it is marked 925. So this obviously has not sold yet. That's a 0 for the purpose of the video. If anyone is interested in that, I will do that for $20. I love it, and it has a decent weight to it. The next item that I decided to list was another charm bracelet. This one was more of like the Pandora style, that's got kind of that rope, braided rope like look to it with the little beads that slide on. They're mainly pink and green, and then it's got a little dangle, like Tree of Life dangle. I didn't see a brand on it. I'm not exactly sure. I'm sure it is a brand, but I don't know what it is. That one is still listed for me. It hasn't sold. And so if any subscribers want that one, I'll do that one for $8. The next item that was in the box that I decided to list was a little, so cute, silver tone crocodile adjustable ring. I thought it was adorable. It's not sterling silver or anything, but it's in good shape, and I just thought it was cute. So that is listed. It still hasn't sold. So if any subscribers would like that, I will do that one for $6. Okay, the other piece of sterling that I had in this box is this lever back set of vermeil citrine earrings. Look how gorgeous those are. And they are in great shape. They are marked on the back of the lever. And then they're also marked on the back where the citrine is. They are marked Thai, like for Thailand, and then FAS 925 on both places. These are in great shape, and these also have not sold. If anyone is interested in these, I will do those for subscribers for $12. The next item that was in the box is also a really cute piece. I liked it a lot. It was like a 3-color cabochon silver tone bracelet by Liz Claiborne. I'm pretty sure it's a vintage piece, but it's got like a bronze cabochon, a gold cabochon, and like a silver cabochon. They're really pretty. That also has not sold yet. So if any subscribers are interested in that bracelet, I will do that one for $6. The next item that was in the box, oh, and this is the other funny thing. Up to this point, I have never gotten a piece of Premier Designs in a box, ever. Which I know is so weird because I feel like people are always getting Premier Designs. So I was actually super excited to get some Premier Designs pieces to add to my closet. This one, and I'm going to still put the picture up on the screen, and I wasn't planning on showing this one, so hopefully it's not too big of a deal for me to get it out, but I love this one. I think it's so pretty. Here we go. Look at that. You've got this multi-strand, like pink stone necklace, and then you've got this huge enhancer at the bottom. I'm selling them together. There is some wear to the part that clips over the clasp that goes over the beads, but I just think that this is so cool. Anyway, that one hasn't sold. Obviously, if anyone's interested, I will do that one for $8. Then I had a illusion necklace that I thought was pretty neat, and it was Avon. So I thought that was awesome also. And that I am doing for subscribers, if you're interested, for $6 because it's still sitting for me. The next item that I decided to list from the box was another Premier Designs. This was a multi-strand necklace in a gunmetal tone, and then it has several beads in kind of black, grays throughout. Really pretty piece, in great shape. That one is still listed in my closet. If anyone's interested in that, I will do that one for $6. And then the last item that I decided to list from this box was also Premier Designs. And this is in a silver tone chain. It's just a chain necklace with multi-strands. It's got 3 strands. And it does have the hang tag for Premier Designs. This one is still listed in my closet, and I will do that one also for $6. So of the items that I decided to list, which I had quite a few, and I did get some sterling. I got some name brand items, which I was thrilled with. I have sold 3 pieces from this box. My total revenue to date on this box is $31. And then when you go out and you subtract the fees and the cost of the box, I'm at a loss on this one for $23. So I know that eventually I will make a profit on this. I still have some great pieces listed, including the 2 pieces of sterling silver jewelry. And then of course these other name brand items. Might take a little while, but I'm willing to wait. I had a lot of fun opening this box. And so I'm looking forward to opening my other Goodwill box tomorrow. It is also from Lake Worth, Florida. So fingers crossed that we get some good pieces. I hope you all will tune in with me tomorrow and see what I got in that box. I will also be back later this week on Thursday for a Thread Up Thursday, where I will be unboxing another mystery box from Thread Up. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoy these recaps, please make sure to give me a thumbs up on your way out. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. I would appreciate it. It helps the channel so much. And as always, I love chatting with you guys. So please make sure to leave a comment below. You can let me know if you've done a Goodwill box recently, from Lake Worth specifically, and how it was for you. Wish me luck on my box tomorrow, or which was your favorite piece that I got in this box. I'm personally surprised that these citrine earrings haven't sold yet. I think they're gorgeous. And I love that also, that Monet necklace, which I may end up keeping for myself. Anyways, I will see you guys back again tomorrow. Until then, bye y'all.